Good morning. We have here a 5-inch bench vise that will be free to a new home with the following conditions. Number one, you got to pay for shipping. Number two, you have to make a video of welding it back together. That's right, I said weld it back together. This is a cast iron vise. It was used in a local bicycle co-op, a non-profit organization. We've already replaced the vise, so we don't want it back. But I think this would be a good project vise for somebody to demonstrate their cast iron welding skills. And I will show you where it's broken right now. Yep, there it is. Now you can see it broke down both sides. You can see the webbing here is fairly thin. I'd say that's about 3/16 of an inch thick right there. It does get thicker at the corners here. The nut is still here. The vise is all here. It's just that the top broke right off. So if you're interested in making a video and demonstrating your cast iron welding skills, you can contact me. I figure the cost of shipping it will be whatever a large flat rate box is through the post office. Probably 25 bucks or so. So give you a little more angled view here. Like I say, this is a 5-inch bench vise. We have no idea what brand it is. It's been sitting out here on my outdoor workbench for the last couple months. So the rust you see is just a little bit of surface rust. Shouldn't present any problems. So there it is. 5-inch. Thank you.